You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. So if for the first time y'all check out the AMARI TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. I got this thing on the back here. Me don't shake it up like a shaker. When you hear people say Jamaica is not a real place, I mean, I don't know who make that look something there, but I hope it make on a laugh. So in this video, we are going to talk about that disturbing video we are circulate with the little youth puff puff pass. Aishana explain her freaky desire. Shenseea claps back on international actress and dancer superstar AMARI. People don't laugh off of me. Anyway, all of that and more coming up.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes.
So the JCF along with Sm0king are asking the public help to find them perpetrators here. Boy, I'm not telling a lie. That video here is very, very disturbing. I'm not going to post the full video on a matter of fact, I don't even think I'm going to post piece of the video on the platform here because I don't know that's something here go. But you can always check out the full video on my Instagram page. People, which video me I talk about? I am talking about the video with the little youth. Him not look like him more than 2 or probably 3-year-old. Puff out a cigarette. So the JCF official Twitter page released this tweet. Hi, thanks for bringing this to our attention. We have detected several breaches of the Child Care and Protection Act in this video. Can you provide us via DM with any additional information so we can identify the child? So hours after they made that post, I see this image of a pink wall in me. I go show you the person, the alleged person. But me tell you say over a pink wall, me see it and I'm not sure how credible this is. But me still I go share it with you anyway. Anybody have no information can just link me up via Instagram or just comment in the comment section or somewhere. Me not hard to find. You get what me I say? Now the photo on your screen, that's the person accused of giving the toddler alcohol and a cigarette to smoke on his birthday, you know? I give my birthday puff and a birthday drink. But people, not true way here me kind of talks about it. It not right, that not right, none at all. The youth look like him can hardly talk. What am I do with cigarette or puff puff? What am I do with alcohol or drink? It don't look right, none at all. So people, I could just try use social media and solve that case quick and fast. Cause them youth yeah, them no fear raise, no pitney. Never dog them youth a fear raise.
Push it in on me nose all. Rub out me back on the cold floor, yeah. Me comfy with fire, but you me all night like say you a bun cold.
I could have said something that's been said before. I could have said, put in my throat wall. Everybody said that. Put it in my nose wall. And guess what? When it's sweet, you want it everywhere. Everywhere you want it. Yeah. Remember say me say? Throw me through window.
Aishana explained in a recent Star interview that she wanted to be spontaneous. She don't want to be normal. She want to be different. That's why she do this song and say,
Push it in on me nose all.
it's like the throat thing get played out now. You see me? So Aishana say everybody a do the throat thing. Everybody a sing about the throat thing and them thing there. So she just get spontaneous and say push it in her nose hole. But question. I wonder if you ever graduate per nose and go years and them thing there. I don't know. Leave it in the comment section below and tell me what you think about that.
Push it in on me nose all. Rub out me back on the cold floor, yeah. Me comfy with fire, but you me all night like say you a bun cold.
Nico, you mash up me life. You mash up me life.
Me not telling you no lie. That song here is one of the most annoying song ever. But guess what? Even though it's annoying, you will find yourself a sing it out loud, unconditionally. You will find yourself a wash up some plate and I say, Nico. Well, me not say no Nico still, but have that. But you don't understand what me I say. Everybody did a sing this song. Even my mother, and she don't know nothing about Nico, but that different. So apparently, Shenseea get hooked to this song too. And sing it at one time, you see me, and me I go play what she actually did say.
On the street, Don't have nothing to eat. But ask if you help me. You say no, not a bumbo clean. You mash up my life. You mash up my life.
So apparently, AMARI hear that and never liked the fact that Shenseea sing her hit single, Nico. And she kind of feel away and she feel like she need to address Shenseea. And she did so in a recent interview she did with, I think, a Pelpa Time TV. No, yeah, nothing, a Pelpa Time TV.
Wanting to outdo me with my own song. I could tell the difference. So
so Shenseea, I try for after you done sing the song already.
Right.
Shenseea try for
do
sing
it
again
way.
on the TV.
Yeah, her way to outdo
mine.
mine. Right. And so then everybody
and
was.
That really happened?
Yeah, and
so
sit
what you
down.
think about that?
I think that they're bright and out of order.
When I'm saying,
like I say, I use my own pum. Yes, yeah, I should go sit down. Right.
So Shenseea now took that video and posted it on her Instagram with the caption, "Me telling you about the dirty girl Shenseea, you know. Me ain't telling you she no good. She no good. Done her AMARI. Hashtag mash up her life."
Step on the street, never have nothing to eat. Me ask you to help me. You say not a bumper clean.
Anyway, let me know what you think about what we just discussed a while ago about Shenseea, AMARI, and Nico. Who mash up who for life? Anyway, make we move on. So yesterday, the Jamaica government, Andrew Holness himself, have a press conference and he spoke about the whole corona spike and about things. You know them do them COVID update. So Dean Jackson Miller asked him this question and this was his response.
Kanye West.
I knew Dion would ask that question, so I tried to brief myself on it. I have not fully briefed, however. My understanding is that the international artist visited Jamaica a few days ago, and he visited the Resilient Corridor. He stayed at a hotel in the Resilient Corridor, and he asked for permission to be able to travel outside of curfew hours because of his flight arrangement, so he would have to travel outside of the curfew hours. That permission was given. From what I've seen in the press, which I don't like to regurgitate because I don't have the facts of the full situation, my understanding is that he would have visited Buju Banton's studio. The circumstances around that would have to be thoroughly investigated. I don't have the details around that as to whether or not permission was given, how that was arranged, whether or not protocols were observed. The pictures that were shared on social media would have shown the international artist and our beloved Buju Banton in studio, presumably without wearing a mask. Based upon our protocols, the present measure requires the wearing of masks in public transportation. But as I said at the start of my presentation, we encourage all Jamaicans, even if you're not in public, even if you're not taking public transport, you're going to be around people that are ill. You don't know the circumstances of persons, that you should wear a mask. And that would be my comment on the situation.
But Prime Minister, Mr. Prime Minister, it would have seemed some form of way still, you know, if the people who are forward in the country, like me and others who are forward from overseas, have a quarantine for 14 days. And because this man is an international recording artist, him just forward and on the same night he go visit Buju Banton's studio, it kind of look away because guess what? Me only forward in a country for X amount of days. And me have things to go do same way, and me have to wait the 14 days before me can go outside. And this man just fly in and gone to Buju Banton studio. And them even waive the curfew time for him. I don't know still, but it don't look some kind of way. People wanna tell me what you think about that in the comment section. Alright? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. We're gone.